start on the inside for my boys. Awkward beginning for Turco Dancer. Got to make it happen, has some early speed, and got to make it happen, heads off to the front. Right there is Mr. Six, who has some early go. For my boys is currently racing inside. Why Kitty Y is in the top four, but it is got to make it happen, who now puts half a side on Mr. Six. Why Kenny Y and For My Boys just 2 lengths off the lead as they hit that far turn, 3 furlongs to go. Got to make it happen as the lead. For My Boys need some room. Mr. Six can't keep up right now. Mr. Six losing ground. Why Kenny Y is third and trying to move up 3 wide. So got to make it happen as company as For My Boys switches off the rail and comes with his run. Why Kenny Y just behind him in third, top of the stretch. And the leader has got to make it happen. Got to make it is turn loose. Got to make it happen is happening right now with a furlong to go. For My Boys is trying to stick with him in second. The rest are far back. Final 16th to go, and got to make it happen is clear, and got to make it happen long gone. For My Boys is going to finish second here. And then it looks like Any Given Day was third. Why Kenny Y ran fourth.